Hello, welcome back. So in this class we are going to work with date tools as we agreed in the previous session. so now the first thing is to decide on which data we are going to use. So we are going to use calendar data. So we say get data. All right. Let's get calendar table. CSV. I want to connect here in my desktop J&J data. I have calendar. Choose that. I say OK. My calendar is here. I want to transform. Remember, we are getting guided by date tools. So now these are the previous tables that we have connected and transformed. So now we are having calendar, and my column is date. As you can see, this calendar shows that the column value that I have here is date values, not a string, not numbers, not anything else. So make sure yours is date, and if it is not the date, you go back to the session where we have discussed a regional setting, that is preparing data for the project. Good. The next thing that we would do, as usual, we check our data type. We also change the table name. This is calendar, J&J calendar lookup table. It is a lookup table. Lookup, not what I've written. Okay, so it is now J&J calendar lookup. Good. Now we can start working with our data because everything looks fine. What I want to do is I want to get for this data what is the earliest date that we have started selling and what is the latest date. So in that case, we are going to go to transform and go to date. From here we have collected the columns that contains date. We go to date and we say earliest. It is 1st Jan of 2015 that this data this data started recording. So you can remove it from applied step to get the latest, which is the last day that this sales has been recorded. You go to transform, go to date and choose latest, and latest is 30th June 2017. So it is from 1st Jan 2015 to 30th June 2017. You can close from there. The next thing that I would want to get is to create a new column with name of the day. So is this Monday, this date, is it Tuesday? Remember, we want to get all those values. So to extract the name of the day, we choose the column. Now this time round, remember, we want to add a new column that tells me if this is Monday and this is Tuesday and so on. So we go to add column, date, and from here we choose day and we choose name of the day. Very simple, right? So 1st Jan 2015 was on Thursday, 2nd is on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and so on. Good looking, right? Because we want to now segment our data and also calculate values basing on this name of the day. Create a new column. We are creating a new column which is start of the week. So again, we choose our date column. We go to date. Week, we want to get start of the week. So we say start of week. So which for that week, the day that the week started. Here we get 28th April 2014 and so on. Here it is 4th Jan 2015, so which was on a Sunday. 4th Jan 2015 was on a Sunday. So Power BI is telling us our date is starting from Sunday. If you want to change this and you want our week to start from Monday instead of the default given by Power BI to be from Sunday, you can use a little bit of C language and come around here, the date, and you say (1), you say enter. Now you can see Monday 5th is when our day of the week, the start of the week, has changed to Monday. If this is not clear for the first time, you can rewatch this part of the session until you grasp what we have done. We can change this column name to something more understandable and say something like is it day, right? That's enough, I think. Good. We can again create a new column. Create a new column for the start of the month. We select, go to date, month, and we say start of the month. There we go, start of the month. We can get a new column for name of the month. So again, we select, go to date, month, and we have name of month. There we go. Okay, what else can we have? We can have start of the year. The year for the year started this period. We choose that, go to date, and choose year, and we choose start of the year. There we go. The next thing that we might have is the year itself. So the column that contains the year. We go to date, year, and we choose year. So we have 2015, of course 2016, and 2017. Now from a single column we have extracted a lot of information like day, start of week, start of month, month itself, alright, start of the year, the year. This will help us to filter and segment our data and look at the trend of the values of our data set. From there you go to home, you say close and apply. Then you say apply changes. Okay. That is working with the date. So we have calendar, we have customers, we have product lookup, customer lookup, calendar lookup. In our next class, we are going to look at generating index and conditional columns. Thank you.